Good morning, my dear students. Now we are going to talk about big black elements, carbon family or carbon family. Carbon family, group 14 elements. Elements: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Symbol: carbon symbol C, silicon symbol SiGe, PP. So atomic number and outermost electronic configuration NS2 2p2. NS2 2p2. Carbon shows catenation characteristics due to it weight. Carbon shows catenation characteristics due to its small size, high electronegativity and very high carbon-carbon bond enthalpy. Compounds of carbon with metals, metallites and with non-metals are called binary inorganic compounds. The compounds like calcium carbide, silicon carbides, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen cyanide are inorganic compounds. Occurrence: carbon is the 70th most abundant element by weight. Silicon is the second most abundant, 27.7% by weight. Germanium occurs a trace element. It is mainly recorded from the flue dust arising from roasting of zinc ores. Tin and lead are found in nature in the amount 2 ppm and 13 ppm respectively. Galena is the principal ore of lead. Found along with zinc plant, other ores of lead and anglesite and cerussite. Variation in properties. First one, atomic radii. On moving down the group, atomic radii of group 14 elements go and increasing, and up to top to bottom decreasing. Ionization enthalpy, carbon, silicon, germanium, very important one mark question. And electropositivity or metallic item. On moving down the group, electropositivity increases, top to bottom decreases. And electronegativity, the electronegativity decreases as the atomic number increases. Melting points and boiling points. The melting points and boiling points of group 14 elements are much higher than those of group 13 elements. Density. On moving down in the elements of group 14, carbon to lead, regular increase in density. Catenation. Carbon, silicon is very important. Allotropy. Carbon has number of allotropic forms out of which diamond, graphite and fullerenes are the crystalline forms of carbon. Tin has two allotropies, white tin or beta tin. It gets stable at room temperatures, whereas grey tin or alpha tin remains unstable. It can be obtained from beta tin at 286 Kelvin temperature. White tin and converted to grey tin. White tin heated with 286 Kelvin temperature to form grey tin. Beta tin converted to alpha tins. Oxidation states and trends in chemical reactivity. Group 14 elements have outermost valence electron configuration NS2 NP2 and hence these elements have common oxidation state plus 4. Stability of plus 2 oxidation state increases in order, which can be given as germanium, zinc, lead. Simple M4 plus ions in the group are not known. Compounds with coordination number higher than 4, like for example SiF5 minus, SiF6 2 minus, PPCl6 2 minus. Stable compounds of MX2 type of carbon and silicon are rare. The stability of divalent state increases in the order germanium, zinc and lead, able to form p pi minus p pi bonds with the element itself, and ability to form such bonds with other elements like dinitrogen and dioxygen decreases from carbon to lead. So CO2 is a gas but silica is a solid. Silicon, germanium, strontium and lead form MX4 type tetrahedral and covalent bonded compounds. The ionic character and thermal stability of halides decreases with increasing atomic number of halogens, and they are hydrolyzed by water. SiCl4 plus 4H2, 4 moles of water to form silicon hydroxide. silicon tetrahydroxide, and silicon tetrachloride reaction with 2 moles of water to form silicon dioxide. Germanium, silicon and lead also form MX2 type halides. The stability of dihalides increases in order. The stability of dihalides increases in order CX2, SiX2, GeX2 and SnX2 and PpX2. Form MO2 type oxides. Crystalline silicon dioxide occurs in quartz, cristobalite and tridymite minerals. Quartz is used as piezoelectric crystal oscillator and in transducers. Silica is obtained by acidification of sodium silicate. When this gel is dehydrated, the obtained silica is extensively used in chromatography and for the drying of other substances, and therefore it acts as a drying agent. SiO2 is acidic, but GeO2 and SnO2 are amphoteric, while BPO is basic. SN4 oxide is prepared by heating Sn and O2 or reaction of Sn with concentration nitric acid. SnO2 is used in polishing powder and in manufacturing of glass and pottery. And PP3O4 plus 4 nitric acid to form PPNO3 twice, PPO2 and 2 molecules of water. PPO2 is a strong oxidizing agent and liberates oxygen. When treated with acids, strontium and lead both form MO type stable oxides. SnC2O4 heated with SnC2O4 tin oxide to form SnO and CO and CO2. PPO exists in red, orange and yellow color depending upon the method of preparation. It can be prepared by heating lead carbonate. On heating lead oxide with air in a laboratory furnace at 773 Kelvin temperature gives red PP3O4. It is a combination mixture of 2PPO and PPO2. Anomalous behavior of carbon. Carbon differs from the other members of its group because the atomic size of carbon is small and has higher electronegativity. Carbons form only 4 covalent bonds, while other elements have D or D and F or dust. They can form more covalent bonds. Carbon atoms form single bonds, moreover double or triple bonds with the other carbon atom and some other atoms like oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur, which are small in size. If the atomic size of some other atoms are very big, then overlapping of p pi of dust does not remain effective. The trend of catenation in carbon is maximum due to its high value of carbon single bond enthalpy, while in other elements this trend goes on decreasing. Carbon forms only pi to pi type bonding, while other elements form pi and also d pi and pi type of bonding. Carbon catenation. The carbon atom has tendency to link with another carbon atom by covalent bond and forms chain or cyclic structure of carbon, which is called catenation. This trend is observed due to the small size and high electronegativity of carbon atom. Tendency of catenation depends upon the bond enthalpy of covalent bond between two carbon atoms. Higher the bond enthalpy, more is the tendency of catenation. The bond enthalpy Cc is 348 kJ mole inverse. It is the highest than the other elements in its group. So, it forms a number of chain and cyclic structure compounds due to catenation and pi bond formation. The carbon accepts different allotropies. Diamond. First one, a diamond. Due to sp3 hybridization, joins with the other 4 carbon atoms by single covalent bonds and forms the 3-dimensional network structure. The distance between 2 carbon atoms in 154 pm bound to each other by covalent bonding, and these bonds very strong. So, diamond is extremely hard solid substance. Next one, graphite. sp2 hybridization in carbon atoms. It combines with the other 3 carbon atoms and as a result hexagonal layer structure is formed. The distance between 2 carbon atoms 141 38.5 pm, and distance between two layers is 340 pm and have weak van der Waals attractive forces between the two layers. Therefore, gravity is soft. And one fullerenes. The crystalline form of carbon is made up of porous cage-like molecules. It possesses carbon-2n structure, mainly carbon-60 with small quantity of carbon-70 and traces of other fullerenes, consisting of even number of carbon atoms up to 350 or above. Carbon-60 molecules have shape like suture ball and also called bulky minister fullerenes. Fullerenes is also called bulky ball. It contains 12 rings having 5 carbon atoms and 20 rings having 6 carbon atoms. The ring structure having 6 carbon is fused to both types of ring, while the ring structure having 5 carbon atoms is fused only to 6-membered ring in sp2 hybridization. Each carbon atom combines with the other 3 carbon atoms with the sigma bond. The remaining electrons forms pi bond. In fullerenes, the carbon-carbon single bond and double bond with distance 143.5 pm, this is single bond, and 138.3 pm, this is double bond. These especially C60 and C70 fullerenes are soluble in toluene solvent and give purple and orange colored solution. Chemical properties of carbon. With oxygen, carbon reaction with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and least energy. Reduction, carbon reaction with Fe2O3 to form 2 iron molecules and carbon monoxide. Carbon reaction with lead sulfate to form carbon monoxide and lead sulfide. And carbon reaction with water to form carbon monoxide and least hydrogen gas. Carbon reaction with other elements. Carbon reaction with sulfur to form carbon disulfide. And carbon reaction with hydrogen electric spark to form C2H2, this is acetylene, double bond compound. And carbon reaction with beryllium to form beryllium carbide. Reaction with acid, carbon reaction with nitric acid to form carbon dioxide and nitrous dioxide and nitrogen dioxide and water molecule. Carbon reaction with sulfuric acid to carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide and water molecule. 12 carbon reaction with 9 sulfuric acid to form mellitic acid. COOH6 is a mellitic acid to form sulfur dioxide and water molecule. Uses of carbons. Uses of carbon. First point, the extraction of some metals formed from their oxides Fe2O3 plus 2CO to form Fe and CO2 in Mons carbonate process as a fuel in the form of water gas and produces gas in manufacturing of methyl alcohol and formic acid, in manufacturing of magnetic taps for tap recorder. Students, watch this video 2 or 3 times so that you can understand the concept well. Today's homework in chemistry, 3 questions: explain allotropes of carbon and explain carbon oxygen state and give the uses of carbon. Here I give 3 questions for you, so you have to think and answer these questions and write 3 times in your homework note, and also write test in your slip test note and send it my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you, students. God bless you.